pussy?
Gas the fuck out of it.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Oh, damn. Oh my God.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? In this video, this is not a video that I made. This video is thanks to Chris. He made this video for us and is allowing me to upload it to my channel so everybody can know. I do plan on doing this very same thing, so I will still do a video on it whenever I do it. But he shows how to install the turn signal kit. It's like 50 bucks or under or something like that. There will be a link to that kit down below this video for you guys to check out. So make sure you check out that link and get that kit. This kit looks really nice. That he's been showing it to me on and off all day today. So I asked him if he minded, because I know he posted it in the group and people were just loving it. So I asked him if he minded if I posted it to YouTube. So he made me a YouTube friendly video, and I hope this helps you guys. Make sure you check out Chris. Here's that way you guys know who he is. Let's see real quick. This is Chris. So make sure you go over and thank him for the awesome video. I hope that got it. Make sure you go over and thank him for the awesome video. Keep watching and I'll have his video playing. Don't forget to check out his link in the description so you can get this kit for your Zforce. It looks like a really nice kit. So I'll also have some different things that you might need for this kit. A little bit of extra wire, because he did mention that you need a little bit of extra wire to make some pigtails a little longer. And we'll throw in some good wire ends that I like to use and all that. So keep watching, guys. Thank you all. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you show him some love for this video, because we appreciate it and he deserves it. Thank you. Keep watching.
Okay, guys, so this is a 2018 Zforce 1000. Should pretty much match every Zforce out there as far as the wiring goes. So wiring up these turn signals. Come under the dash here. There's an access panel below the gauge cluster. There's two 10mm screws here. Take those out, pull that plastic out. There's a couple rubber grommets in the back on the firewall. You just pull hard enough, they'll pop out. You find this white plug up under the dash. Now there's an orange wire, a light blue, a green, and then a black with a brown tracer. The black with the brown tracer is your 12 volt. Get it to focus here. This one here. That'll run right over to your flasher. The adjustable flasher comes in the kit. Your ground also runs over to the flasher. And then your left and right turn signal wires, they run up to your toggle. And then the third prong on this runs the power to your toggle. So I had to put in like a 4-inch lead on each of these wires to make sure I had plenty of room to run wherever I wanted. Now, this toggle switch is pretty generic. They do make toggles like this that fit in there that look similar to the factory. While we're on the toggle switch subject, I put in one for my winch that let's face it, plugging in this 12-foot lead all the time, that gets pretty annoying. So if you wanted to do that, this wire harness runs back to there. You can just tap into that and run those wires down your switch. But anyway, back to the turn signals. Somebody was asking where the wires were located. So right in back of your radiator, this is zip tied. Right here, it'll have a gray connector on the end of it. And just snip those off. And your white's going to be your ground on your LEDs. Black is your power. This is light blue. I got to shrink those yet and zip tie everything out of the way. And drill your 3/4 inch holes. You can mount them up wherever you want. I just wanted a little bit of side visibility as well as front. I drilled the holes with a 3/4 inch spade bit, like a wood spade bit, nothing special. It didn't chip or anything. It's pretty, drilled pretty clean. Coming back to the rear. So this connector on the harness side, on the vehicle side of the harness, there's 4 wires going into this. So you'll cut the light blue wire off for the right turn. This is passenger side. And that'll run your hot, obviously. And then I just ran a jumper wire up to the frame of the box. Ran a self-tapper into there. Just silicone good if you want to do that. Otherwise, you can either tap into your ground wire or scotch lock into it. However you want to do it, or solder it in. I did crimp all these before installing the lights in the back. I took the rubber grommets off and then fed the lights up through because it was a whole lot easier than trying to get my crimper up in that area and try to work and make sure everything crimped decent. That's the 3-inch bracket lift I had installed. But if you guys have any questions, just let me know if you want me to cover anything else.